make on barbecue. Replacing hood struts on a 2011 Crown Victoria. This is the old one. Little tiny clips. Little clips. So I have to use this screwdriver right there instead of this one. This one's too big. Little clips, man. I have this screwdriver just in case. This is the old one here. It was getting pretty weak. Not lifting the hood. The hood would stay up, but its days were numbered. So I bought the new ones. It was kind of hard to get this one in. This is a brand new one. You just take the clip off and you pop that on. Then I couldn't get the bottom one in. So I had to get my stick again and lift the hood as far as I could go to line it up, and it pushed right on. So that's a 2011 Crown Vic. The last year they made these Crown Vics, and I gotta clean it up. Runs great. I just got smalled. I'm gonna clean up the battery. The battery's a mess. Here's the new one on this side. I'm gonna take this one out, and I'll be right back. I really gotta clean this engine. I did that, and got a lot of work to do. This will be my next project right here, the battery. I'm gonna get this looking brand new. All right, let me get that last strut out. All right, you just put the screwdriver in there. Try to pry this clip, and then comes out. And I'll do that one. Both clips are out. Let me move my stick. I gotta move this stick over. Let me see if I can push this off. Just grab it. Oh, dude, it just came right out. This is a good car, man. I just gotta clean it up. I just got oil change. Got a smog check. Everything's running great. I just gotta fix it up. All right, I'm gonna put a little grease in there. You don't really have to. It's dry, but I want to put one. I want to put grease in there. All right, this side goes up. Clips right in. The bottom looks good. Let me see. Yeah, it should go in. Push it in. That's it. It just clips in. You don't have to do clips until you take it out. And it's kind of flimsy. But so they only cost $23 for both. And I ordered them yesterday on Amazon while I was at work, and they got here today. And now they're in the car. Pretty good. Let me take the stick out, and we'll try it. I firmly believe everybody should have a stick in their car. That little 3/4 by 3/4 stick cut to the right length has saved me so many times just having it, man. All right, let's see. Yeah. Oh, yeah, man. That goes up good, though. Look at this. All right, man. Oh, you're working on the radiator grill and the battery. Getting it all cleaned up. Little by little. I'm going to have a lot of days off coming up. I like it. Look at that. 4 clips. Should last another 10 years, huh? Yeah. All right, that took like 7 minutes. Clean my lights. They look pretty good. Clean my tires. With the good tire cleaning. They're brand new tires. I put another coat on these. All right. McConn's barbecue. The GTOs looks really good. I did the weed whacker, trimming grass. We got some nice roses. Laura and I planted a couple more bushes. That rose is going good. We got the lavender over there. McCotton, front hood strut repair, replace, 211 Crown Vic. Super easy. $23. Peace and love. Bye, everybody.